because contacting Coinbase is the only way to fix this problem. And remember, if you guys violated the community guideline of Coinbase and did something wrong and got your Coinbase account restricted, then there is no way to unrestrict your Coinbase account again, because you can say that you did something wrong and they took action for it. But if you did nothing wrong and still your account got restricted, so you just need to contact Coinbase staff. So if somebody says you can download this app, you can download this thing, or you can go to website, enter your Coinbase information, is gonna get unrestricted, then please don't do that. It's basically them trying to steal your information. Please don't go to any third party website or anywhere, alright? You need to go to the official websites of Coinbase in order to fix this problem, which I'm gonna be showing you. First step, you gotta go on Google and you gotta search for Coinbase contact. Once you search for Coinbase contact, they're gonna give you this number. You can call this number and Coinbase staff is gonna pick up. Once they pick up, they're gonna teach you how you guys can unrestrict your account, or they're gonna tell you why they decided to restrict your account. And the other thing you can just do is click on how can I contact Coinbase support. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Coinbase. Over here, they're gonna give you different options on how you guys can contact them, like number, or live messaging, or email request, or Twitter, or other ways on how you guys can fix this problem. So this is the official website of Coinbase. By official, I mean this is the official help website of Coinbase. So you don't have to get worried about your information getting leaked or your account getting hacked, alright? So for this kind of thing, make sure you go to the official website of Coinbase and your problem should be fixed, alright? So the only way to fix this is by contacting them. So contact them and ask why they decided to restrict your account. If they, restricted your account for no reason, or like they mistakenly restricted your account, they're gonna unlift that.